Good morning. I want to introduce myself. My name is Bella Wakari, and now I will to present about London. First, Tower of London. The Tower of London, officially named the Royal Palace, and the fortress of the Tower of London belong to His Majesty. Her Majesty Royal Palace and Fortress of the Tower of London is a historic castle located in the center of London, England on the north bank of the River Thames. Second, Tower Bridge. The Tower Bridge is a bridge that spans the River Thames in London. This bridge combines two bridge design, namely lift and suspension. Its location adjacent to the London Tower make this bridge named Tower Bridge. Tower Bridge is one of the bridges owned and managed by Bridge House Estate. Third, Westminster Palace. Westminster Palace is the official name of the House of Parliament, which is the seat of government of the United Kingdom. The building is a meeting point for the two assemblies of the United Kingdom, namely the House of Lords and the House of Commons. The Palace of Westminster is located in central London. 4. Buckingham Palace. Buckingham Palace is the official residence of the Queen of Great Britain. This palace is a palace for state events, a palace to welcome state guests, and a place for tourist visit. 5. Kensington Palace. The Kensington Palace is a royal residence in Kensington Garden in the Royal Borough of Kensington in Chelsea, London. The building has served as the residence of the British royal family. 6. Royal Garden. The Royal Gardens of London is land originally owned by the British monarchy for the reception, mostly hunting of the royal family. They are part the Crown Estate. With the increasing urbanization of London, some of them were present are friendly assembly on space and became public park with the introduction of the Crown Land. 7. Hyde Park. Hyde Park is one of the largest parks in central London. The park is separated by the Serpentine Lake. This garden connects with Kensington Park, which is considered part of Hyde Park, but technically the two are separate gardens. In this park was built a glass building called the Crystal Palace designed by Joseph Paxton. Next, Green Park. Green Park is one of the royal parks in London. The park is located between Hyde Park and St. Peter's James Park, London. Together with Kensington Garden and Buckingham Palace Garden, this garden form an open art street from Whitehall and Victoria Station to Kensington and Notting Hill. Next, St. Park James is a park in Westminster, Central London. The garden that is part of the Royal Garden in London. This park is located at the southernmost tip. The park is named after the Loughborough Hospital descendant to St. James. 8. Royal Albert Hall. The Royal Albert Hall is a concert hall located at the northern end of the South Kensington area in the city of Westminster, London, best known for holding its annual Summer Prom Centre. The hall is a registered category that is trusted by the state and does not accept public or government funding. 9. Westminster Abbey. Westminster Abbey is a church with Gothic architecture in Westminster, London, to the west of the Palace of Westminster. This church is the traditional coronation of the king and queen. 9. Westminster Abbey. Westminster Abbey is a church with Gothic architecture in Westminster. To the west of the Palace of Westminster, this church is the traditional coronation of the King and Queen of England as well as their burial. 10. St. Paul's Cathedral. London is a cathedral of the Church of England and is the cathedral of the Diocese of London. This cathedral is dedicated to Paul of Tarsus, Saint Paul of the Church, sitting on the top of Ludgate Hill, the highest point in the city of London. The West End. The West End of London is an area in central and west London where several tourist attractions, shop, business, government building and entertainment venues are in the city, including the West End Theatre. The West End included most the Westminster and Camden Borough. Trafalgar Square. Trafalgar Square is a square in central London that is named in memory of the Battle of Trafalgar, a battle at sea in which British Navy warships won the Napoleonic Wars. In the center of Trafalgar Square, there is a monument that contains a statue of Admiral Horatio Nelson. Portobello Road. Portobello Road is a street in the Notting Hill district of the Royal Borough of Kensington and Chelsea in West London. It runs almost the Lake of Notting Hill from south to north. British Museum. The British Museum in London is one of the largest of most important museums in human history and culture in the world. Its permanent collection of the then 8 million objects, which is one of the largest and most comprehensive collections in the world and originating from all connected. Last, London Eye. The London Eye is a cantilevered observation well on the south bank of the River Thames in London. It is Europe's tallest cantilevered observation well and is the most popular paying tourist attraction in the United Kingdom with over 3 million visitors annually and has made many appearances in popular culture. Thank you.